How to add Hostinger email to Gmail. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, let's go ahead and open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser, go ahead and search for mail.google.com and then sign in to your Gmail account. Once you're signed into your account, you want to go ahead and tap on the settings icon. Now select See All Settings. Now once you're inside this kind of interface, you want to go ahead and tap on Accounts and Import. Now inside here, scroll below and then you want to go ahead and simply select Add another email address. Tap onto it. Now in this box, you want to go ahead and type in your email address of your Hostinger email. Type in the name. Also, if you would like to treat it as an alias, go ahead and click this button, tap on Next Step, and then follow the on-screen prompt. With that, you'll then be able to add Hostinger email to your Gmail. That ends the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.